I'm sure you've heard the news. These trucks are bigger than life and pack some serious power. First up, the BelAZ 75710. This beast holds the title for the world's largest dump truck. Next, meet the Komatsu 960E, 51 feet long, 30 feet wide and 24 feet tall, carrying loads up to 327 tons. China's XCMG XDE 400 can haul a whopping 400 metric tons at 40 miles per hour. Have you seen the Ford F650? 8 feet wide, 9 feet tall, and it hauls up to 50,000 pounds. The DAF XR 530 pulls 80 tons with ease. The Kenworth W990's 12.9-litre engine cranks out 565 horsepower. The Iveco S-Way delivers 570 horsepower with its Cursor 13 diesel engine. Check out the Scania R580, 16.4 litres of pure power, pushing 580 horsepower. And last but definitely not least, the Peterbilt 389 boasts a 14.9-litre engine that delivers 590 horsepower. Top-heavy truck manufacturers? Think Dongfeng, Hino, Iveco, MAN, Mercedes Benz, Mitsubishi, Paccar Inc., Scania, Tata, and Volvo. Stay tuned for more jaw-dropping truck facts.